My name's Johnny Tran. I'm a Senior Constable of Police. I am a Multicultural Liaison Officer. Being Victoria Police, we are a state police force. So what that means is we're not part of the military, federal police or immigration. We assist the community. We are here to protect you and make sure that you're safe. We stop people from breaking the law, and we also prosecute by taking people to court or giving them fines as well if they break the law. The purpose today is one, to engage with the community, but also to make people aware of things that they may not have been aware before. And there's lots of questions about policing, but about laws in general as well. This is what we would normally wear when you see us out in the street. You may see that we have other things on our belt and a gun there as well. These are things to help protect us, but also help protect the public as well. I was born in a refugee camp, and my family were lucky enough to come to Australia and live a life here, create a life. So it gives me a great deal of joy to actually try and guide some of these new and emerging communities in some of the pitfalls that may have happened in the past and try and help them through that process. As you can see, I'm actually Cambodian. I was brought up here, I was not born in Australia. And you can see here that we also, in the police force, we encourage equity. We believe everyone is to be treated with dignity and respect. There's a lot of really negative perceptions about policing in general, depending on their experiences in the previous countries that they've migrated from. And some of those experiences can be very traumatic, and it makes people not want to report anything to police and fearful of us. So it's actually quite enjoyable to try and break down those barriers and say, well, this is how we do it here, and this is something totally different to what you may have been used to in the past. If you call 000, it's a free service. You're not going to be charged for this. Reporting a crime will not affect your immigration status or anything to do with immigration. We're 24 hours a day, so it doesn't matter if it's 3 a.m. in the morning, you can still contact police. There are interpreters available, so you just need to say, when you ring 000, Burmese, and sometimes there might be Karen, Burmese Karen, or Hakachin, you can say that as well. Now this one is about driving with people who are also drinking and then intend on driving. What I'd suggest is that if you do intend on drinking, that you don't drive. There are some heavy fines. You can lose your licence, or you can actually receive an imprisonment sentence as well. Now we have a special speaker here today. Senior Constable Deirdre Bell is here. She's from the Family Violence Unit. She will talk to you about the Family Violence section. Violence in any form is not okay. So if you're a victim of violence in any form, whether it be someone in the street that you don't know, or whether it be family violence in the home where this violence may occur, that's not okay. That's not okay at all. Any reports will be taken seriously and it will be investigated by police. They don't accept violence at all in any form.
The Australian government does not tolerate violence under any circumstances. It is against the law to be violent towards any person, man, woman or child.
My name is Deirdre Bell. I'm a Senior Constable of Police. I help people with intervention orders and family violence matters. Now, it's anything that is physically or sexually abusive, emotionally or psychologically, or if somebody's yelling at you, verbally yelling, hitting, screaming at you, constantly putting you down, taking your money, threatening you, as in, I'm going to kill you, I'm going to punch you. And if you feel fear from that family member, that is family violence. If another family member damages your property, if another family member threatens to hurt your pets or does hurt your pets, that's family violence.
This is not something we take lightly. Every time we attend a family violence incident, we do a report.
Family violence includes forced marriages. They are also illegal under Australian federal laws since 2013. And if you're found guilty of doing this, it's 4 to 7 years imprisonment.
You can't be forced to marry someone if you don't want to.
Domestic and family violence are crimes against the law. A person who commits these crimes will be punished under Australian law, which may include jail time.